My name is Callum Crooks. I've been racing go-karts for 4 years, and I'm talking about safety lock wire and its role in racing today. I started racing go-karts in about 2021. We had this old kart that we put together, and it sort of grew from there. We try and race at the highest level we can. Our standard is obviously perfection, but at the same time, we have a lot of safety standards that we have to meet. Everybody on the team is truly focused on safety, but we have generally one person go around the kart and do a full bolt check, going over all the axles, spindles, and most importantly, safety lock wire. Safety lock wire keeps everything where it needs to be, and especially keeps myself and other drivers safe. In this high-stress racing environment, things are going on quick, everything happens fast. We have to make sure that everything is where it needs to be and nothing can fall off these go-karts. That's why I partnered with Sunset Wire to show how safety lock wire is used on my car and in the racing industry. Safety lock wire is used on these karts in critical positions such as the brake system, steering, keeping front-end components attached, and our bumpers, in order to make sure everything stays safe and nothing falls off. Because of how important safety lock wire is, we try and change it about 2 months for every 6 to 7 races. We do this to maintain our safety because if we weren't changing out this lock wire, we could see part failures or possible injuries to other drivers or myself. When we change safety lock wire, we generally use needle nose pliers, wire snips, and lock wire twisting tools. We use these to ensure that everything stays safe and secure. With safety lock wire being so important, we use about a can or 400 feet every year. After racing for 4 years and using many different types of wires, I've noticed that Sunset safety lock wire is the most reliable wire I've used. As a racer, I recommend Sunset Wire safety lock wire because it's American made and reliable.